Courageous young men are called by God to enter into a formation house, a home. It is a home of prayer, studies, music, work, recreation, and sports. A home where one can truly bring out his hidden talents and abilities, so that later on he can contribute to the apostolate of the young people. Don Bosco said, "A house without music is like a body without soul." Thus, music is very important. Young men are given time to develop their musical skills in note reading, playing the instruments, and singing in the choir. Do not be afraid if you do not know anything yet about music. We were once the same. You have to attend classes and courses in the schools and colleges that will be beneficial for your apostolate and the congregation later on. A time is given for serious study period to acquire as much knowledge as possible. Work is an essential part of the Salesian life, as Don Bosco promised his Salesians: work, bread, and heaven. They are assigned to different places in the house as practice of the virtue of obedience. Some are working in the garden, some in the offices, some in the toilet, dormitory, and the other areas in the house. Let everyone contribute for the betterment of the community. Sports, the favorite schedule, the daily football, volleyball, and basketball games surely help them to unwind and to be cheerful after their work and studies. And of course, prayer, the most important aspect as part of the formation to the priestly or religious life. They are given the opportunity to attend Holy Mass, pray the Holy Rosary, and the Liturgy of the Hours daily. Spiritual readings, LECTIO DIVINA, gospel sharing, meditation are also being experienced. After all, the sole purpose of each one is to deepen their relationship to God who calls them. The calls to be a Salesian among today's youth is not an easy task, and we are blessed to have an overflow of young men who believe in Don Bosco's work. There are two ways to become a good Salesian. You can either be a holy lay brother or a saintly priest. We are equal in dignity and are both called to holiness. What is really important is to discern to which way of life God is calling you. Are you for the lay brother or for the priesthood? Whichever is your response, you are definitely needed. God needs more signs and bearers of His love for the young as Salesians. Interested? Please contact the Salesian Center or school or parish nearest to you, or visit our headquarters at Don Bosco Provincial House, Mathias Institute Mawlai.